Now, probably the most interesting part is how to remove the rear view mirror. And there are lots of talk on all the websites and little forums, but nobody actually knows for sure. But the mirror actually is removed really easy. So what do you need? You need a flat screwdriver. Okay, and if you look close in here, you see there's this housing over here, and on top of it, let me move the light, and on top of it there's another piece of aluminum, and that's another housing. So okay, let me try and hang this. So what do you want to do? Sorry guys for that. I'll try and hold the camera and do it same time. So with a flat screwdriver, you want to reach in and insert it in here between the two pieces. And if you look here, you can see, so somewhere here that's supposed to go. Better don't put it on the edge, but somewhere like so. Hold on. And now I need to hold the mirror, but basically having the screwdriver in there, see if I can do it with one hand. You kind of wiggle it slowly and try to get your screwdriver inside and kind of pry on the mirror, and that's it. So that's the mirror removed. Now all you have to do, just disconnect the wiring, which is right here, and the mirror should come off. So just to show you guys the details of the mirror, how it's held in place. So you see there are two pins on each side, and there's a spring. So these two pins that sticks out, they're spring loaded, and that what holds the mirror in place. Now when you're ready to install the mirror, sorry, I'm out of focus. Okay, you see this little spring that runs, just basically not a spring, like a wire. So it's a spring steel wire. What you need to do, you need to push this pin that's on the right hand side. You push it back, and this wire will spring up, and it will lock this pin kind of in the back position a little bit. So it actually helps to install the mirror. So after the mirror is installed, you want to pull down on this wire, and this pin will snap back and will engage further to hold the mirror in place.